Hey guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and my son's office is having a pumpkin creating challenge. Not creating pumpkins, but creating the most original and decorated pumpkins in his office. And I decided to help him, of course. Anyway, maybe I pushed myself into that, but I had so much fun, and I created this pumpkin. This little scarecrow is made out of a styrofoam pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you how I created this pumpkin, and I want to challenge you to enter my this Dollar Tree pumpkin creating challenge. Now all you have to do is use one of the styrofoam pumpkins, like a big orange, kind of orange, pumpkin this size, and decorate it, and then send me a picture of it. You need to comment below that you're sending me the picture on either my Facebook page, my Instagram, you're going to tag me, or you can email it to me. All my information is below. You need to be 18 years old, or you have a parent's permission to enter. Also, the entries need to be sent to me by midnight on October 31st. The drawing will be held on November 2nd, that following Saturday. And I will give the winner a $20 gift card from the Dollar Tree. So this is a really, really fun challenge. I hope that you will stay tuned and watch how I created this cute little scarecrow pumpkin. Basically, most of this I had at home, and the Dollar Tree styrofoam pumpkin you can buy there right now. So run out and get one and enter this challenge. All the details are below, and here comes the video.
Okay, so I used this cute pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and I had a little scarecrow on hand that I took apart, and I also had this black white checker gingham, have some buttons, and now we're going to get started. So basically I took the little buttons, I have 4, and I put some raffia in the holes of the buttons. So I'll show you here real quick. I just put it through the holes and tied a little bit. Now you could use twine or string or anything, or you don't even have to put anything in there. I just thought it made the little buttons look adorable and like a scarecrow would have on their clothes. So I'm just having a little tough time with the raffia. If you do, you can put a little glue on the end of it. You can wrap it in with some tape and just pull it through the holes in the button and tie them off. So just tie it off like this and cut to the length that you want. So I just cut it, little snip here, a little snip there, and the buttons are ready to put on the scarecrow's clothes. So next I'm working on the pumpkin. Now this pumpkin, I need to remove the stem because the scarecrow's head is going to sit on top of it. So I just pull that out, and there's actually a little toothpick in there. You might want to pull that out as well if you're going to put a scarecrow head on there. And you can buy scarecrows at the Dollar Tree right now and just take one of those and use that if you don't have something. Or you can cover a ball or a styrofoam ball with some material or fabric, muslin, and create your own scarecrow head. So anyway, I'm measuring here how much fabric I need, and I ended up with a 17-inch square. You want to make sure you have plenty to make sure that all the sides are covered for your pumpkin. And I just did a real simple little gathering to pull the fabric around it. So this is 17 inches here, and we're just going to wrap it around and glue it down. Okay, now that the pumpkin is covered, we'll cover these seams, so don't worry about that. You just decide which side do you want to be the front for your scarecrow. So I was trying different angles, and I like this front because it looks kind of like a shirt. So that's what I'm going to use. But Bye-bye, pumpkin head. Anyway, you can use anything and you don't even have to make it a scarecrow, but this is what I did. So, okay, so I'm going to glue down the little scarecrow to my pumpkin, and I'm just using hot glue to do that. And it will be really simple and easy. Just adhere the pumpkin head to the pumpkin. Now that the pumpkin head is adhered, I'm going to glue on all the little buttons to the front of this little scarecrow's shirt, in quotes. And so just a little hot glue and put the little buttons on, and I did 4 buttons as you saw earlier. Here we go, cute little pumpkin. Now I do have some legs, and I took them apart from the other pumpkin, so I just sewed them together so none of the stuffing comes out, and I'm going to glue it onto the bottom of this pumpkin, not scarecrow. This pumpkin, scarecrow pumpkin. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to glue these legs on, and I'm going to give him a little base with some leaves. I know it's kind of hard to see here, but you can see I'm gluing the leaves on just to make him look like he is actually sitting in a whole bunch of leaves. Now that the leaves are all glued on, I'm going to enhance him a little bit more. I'm going to put a small pumpkin. It does have a clip, but I am going to give it some hot glue just to make sure it stays in place. So I'm going to glue that onto this little pumpkin. And then I glued another pumpkin onto the other side. And I am going to add some additional leaves, like leaves have been falling, and they're going to be on the little scarecrow. And you can see how cute this little scarecrow that used to be just a pumpkin turned out. And so I challenge you to enter this Dollar Tree Pumpkin Challenge and create your own. It doesn't have to be this one. Also, please subscribe. Remember to look below for all the details, and thanks for